If you want to scan QR codes on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, you can, for example, use the camera. If you open the camera in the photo mode, you can simply put the QR code right in front of the camera, so it looks more or less like this, and then you should be able to scan the code, and you can tap on the link that is generated from the QR code in order to open it in the default browser. But if the QR code scanner for some reason is not working, then you can tap on the setting button in the bottom left corner. You can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner of this menu, and then over here we can search for the camera scan suggestions, which should be enabled to be able to scan QR codes. Besides that, we can go to the control center, or quick settings actually, and over here you can try to find the QR code scanner. If you don't have it, you can tap on this pen icon on the right side, and then among these options you should be able to find the QR code scanner somewhere, so you can add it to this list of tiles. And if you open the QR code scanner, you can once again just point at the QR code, and you can then open the link. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.